Hello and welcome. This is an introduction to NXU presentation. NXU stands for NXU University from NXU Solutions, and we have an online technical training platform, which is part of the NXU program for technical training. My name is David Engel. I am the principal speaker at NXU. I have over 20 years of industrial experience in many areas of chemistry, chemical technology, and chemical engineering. Currently, I hold over 21 United States invention patents on many subjects related to technology development, and I have over 100 papers and presentations in conferences. Nexus Solutions is a consulting and technology company. We have many areas available to solve a number of challenges in the industry today. We have consulting and troubleshooting. We have on-site testing services. We have laboratory services. We have technical training services. And then we have our products, which are chemical technologies, mechanical technologies, analytical products, and simulators. NXU or NXU University was created in 2020 by Nexus Solutions for remote education. It utilizes all the power and expertise and experience of Nexus Solutions global consulting projects since 2012. It's practical and it's focused on the need of operators, engineers, and other personnel associated with processing plants. You can access NXU via our website at nexusolutions.com. And there is a tab shown on the screen with the arrow technical training. I invite everybody to visit our website and explore all the solutions that we have available, and also in specific, the technical training area. How to access NXU? You can access directly to the NXU website, which is nxu.teachable.com. You can access NXU via the Nexus Solutions website at nexussolutions.com. You can browse, register, learn, and apply. And you can contact NXU experts, which I will be discussing about them at the end of this presentation. And the last page has our contacts if you need any support. NXU features and details. You can access NXU at your own location, in your hotel, in your office, in your plant, anywhere you like. Work at your own pace. You can start and stop a video when you decide to do so. Currently, we have 27 different courses available and growing. These can range from basic to advanced to a specialized courses. We also have the called Tech Bits, 1 to 5 minute technical videos on very interesting subjects. And we added several of our key technical papers in the platform that you can also download and read. There are knowledge tests after every course and also completion certificates issued after every course. We will inform your manager or supervisor or of the progress and the grades of your tests as you go and take these courses. You can also have PDH education credits, and you can have live consultation from the NXU expert team. If you look at the NXU platform, you will find individual courses as well as bundles. Bundles for new hires, for intermediate engineers and operators, and also advanced topics. A few examples of NXU courses are shown in the screen. Maybe you want to know about inlet separation in gas processing plants, or maybe you want to know about foaming, or perhaps you're interested about corrosion or learning more about filtration. These and many more courses are available at the NXU platform. We have a total of 27 courses today available, and the list is growing. We expect to have a few more added throughout the year. These can range, as discussed before, from basic to intermediate to advanced to specialized courses. And again, I invite everybody to visit the NXU platform and learn about our various courses that we have available. Some of the participating companies at the NXU platform are the major oil and gas in the United States and in Canada. Many engineers and operators have been through our technical training program. Our NXU expert team members, myself, I'm David Engel, expert in process contamination and optimization. We have Cody Ridge, expert in plant operation and maintenance. Scott Williams, expert in process engineering and testing. Glenn Kendrick, expert in H2S and sulfur removal. Scott Northrop, expert in gas and liquids treating. Heath Burns, expert in systems design and engineering. Sebastian Engel, expert in chemical testing and analysis. And Jerry Rowland as engineering technician. We have a great team assembled to support the NXU online technical training platform, not only the courses, but also live consultations if you choose to have them at your own time and day of choosing. You can see our contacts on screen. NXU University. You can access directly our website at nxu.teachable.com. If you want to contact us, our NXU team or our team of experts, you can email us at nxu@nexusolutions.com. We are located in the Woodlands, Texas. On screen is our telephone. You can call us anytime for any type of questions or consultations. And please visit our website at nexussolutions.com so you can learn about our various solutions for the processing industry and also access the NXU technical training platform. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the near future in one of our courses or technical training. Thank you so much.